with page number 74. Open page number 74. We have seen up to 73 yesterday. We have seen types of teeth, incisors, canines, premolar and molar. Okay. So incisor is used to cut the food. Canines is used to tear the food. Premolar and molars are used to grind the food. है ना? Food को अच्छे से grind करके अंदर swallow हो जाए इसलिए मदद करते हैं. Okay, so now today we will see the function of the tongue. So open page number 74. Yes, so tongue. You have gums all over your tongue. These are the taste buds. ठीक है, आप अगर अब अपनी tongue है, कभी आप mirror में जाके देखो, you can watch in your mirror that it has lot many of gums, means lot many of spots are there. That is the taste bud. जिसकी वजह से आपको खाने का टेस्ट पता चलता है, नमक का टेस्ट पता चलता है, कुछ चीज अजीब होती है उसका टेस्ट पता चलता है. That is all possible due to the bumps on the tongue. That's why you are able to know that कि क्या टेस्ट है, किस चीज का क्या टेस्ट आता है. Okay, yes, Sparsh, start reading. Sparsh, tongue.
Yes, ma'am. Tongue. You have bumps all over your tongue. These are the taste buds. Taste buds sense the flavors of different kinds of food: salty, sweet, bitter, and sour. There are not 10 or 20 or 100 taste buds, but thousands of them. Each taste bud has a different reaction of food. These are grouped together in different locations on the tongue.
So you have the all the taste, मतलब gums होते हैं आपके tongues में for tasting है ना. There are lots of taste, lots of different taste. Some taste are sweet, some are sad, some are bitter, some are जिसका टेस्ट ही नहीं समझ में आता है ना. So these all taste you get to know through your tongue. Tongues help you to taste the things. Okay. Yes. Arushi, read tongue and speech. Arushi, start reading tongue and speech, page number 74.
Tongue and speech. Do you like tongue twisters? If yes, then try and say this tongue twister quickly. 10 times. The sixth
Shake. Shake.
Has six teeth. Were you successful? Probably not. Our tongue twister is difficult to repeat without making a mistake. This proves a very important thing. Our tongue helps us to speak clearly. Both tongue and teeth help to have clear speech. Have you ever wondered whether birds have tongue? You know that they have a beak instead of teeth, but they do not have tongue. Yes, birds have a tongue, but it has a bone in it. Let us understand the diet of birds and how it is determined by their beak and claws now.
Okay, so tongue twister. Now what is tongue twister? You used to play in your childhood. बचपन में आप लोग ये कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़ बोलने को प्रैक्टिस करते थे है ना, कि कौन जल्दी जल्दी बोलेगा. But you cannot speak the tongue twister without making a mistake, है ना. There is a mistake. अगर आप उसको कंटिन्यू जल्दी जल्दी बोलते हो ना तो मिस्टेक हो जाती है. It is not easy to tell it without the mistake. ये हमें इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग बताता है कि टंग हेल्प अस टू स्पीक क्लियरली. हम क्लियरली इसीलिए बोल पाते हैं बिकॉज वी हैव टंग. अगर हमारे पास टंग नहीं है सो वी कैन नॉट स्पीक क्लियरली. हमारे को सामने वाले का समझ में नहीं आएगा कि वो क्या बोल रहा है. बोथ टंग एंड टीथ हेल्प इन हैविंग अ क्लियर स्पीच. अगर हमारी जो बोलने का तरीका, जो हमारा स्पीच है वो क्लियर है, किसकी वजह से? टंग एंड टीथ दोनों की वजह से हमारा जो स्पीच है वो क्लियर जाता है. Have you ever wondered whether birds have a tongue? You know that they have a beak instead of teeth, but do they have a tongue? Yes, birds have a tongue, but it has a bone in it. ठीक है, अब birds के पास भी tongue होता है, लेकिन हम लोग के tongue पे bone नहीं है. आपको कुछ hard surface feel नहीं होगा अपने tongue में, but बर्ड्स के जो टंग होते हैं उसमें बोन होता है और टीथ की जगह पे उनके पास बीक होती है ना, चोंच होती है. जो उनका माउथ होता है वो बीक होती है, उनके पास टीथ नहीं होता, वो बीक से ही जो करते हैं. ओके, नाउ यस इच्छा, नीला, इच्छा स्टार्ट रीडिंग बर्ड्स गाइड.
Yes, ma'am. Birds spend a lot of time looking for food. Most birds eat insects, but like the hummingbird are plant hummingbirds are plant eaters. Some birds like owls and eagles are meat eaters. Other birds like toucans eat only fruits. A few birds are both plant and meat eaters.
Okay, so birds guide. Birds spend a lot of time looking for a food. आप लोगों ने देखा होगा, if आपके टेरेस पे या आपके घर के अंदर जहाँ birds enter कर सकती है, अगर कोई दाना पड़ा चावल का या फिर कुछ भी wheat, anything is there, they start to picking up by their beak. है ना, उनको खाना प्रोवाइड नहीं होता, जो इधर उधर बर्ड्स घूमती रहती, they have to search their food by their own. Birds like the hummingbirds are plant eater. Hummingbirds क्या है? Plant eater. They used to eat the leaves. Some birds like owls and eagles are meat eater. Owls और eagles जो होती हैं वो क्या है? Meat eater है. They eat meat. Other birds like toucan eat only fruits. अब कोई और bird है toucan नाम की, वो बस fruits खाती है. A few birds are both plant and meat eater. कुछ ऐसी bird होती है जो both होती है, plant भी होती है और meat eater भी होती है, दोनों खाती है. Beaks of bird. Birds use their beaks and claws to find bugs, worms, fish, fruit, grains and nectar. ठीक है, अब भी किस लिए यूज होता है? जो उनकी चोंच होती है, जो बीक होता है, वो किस लिए यूज होता है? फाइंड करने के लिए worms, fish, fruit, grains and nectar. We can understand the diet of bird by looking at its beak. अब आपको उसके बीक से पता चलेगा कि वो क्या डाइट लेती है, मतलब क्या खाना खाती है. Yes, Neela, start reading. Yes, Neela.
Can I read?
Start reading page number 75.
Yes, ma'am. Here are some examples. A woodpecker has a hard and point chisel-shaped beak that help it to drill holes in the bark of the tree and find insects. A pelican has a pouch under its beak that is used to eat fish.
Okay, Neela. Okay. A woodpecker. So we will study about woodpecker. Woodpecker, how? See in the photo how it is. It is a chisel-shaped beak. क्या है? चिशल शेप्ड बीक है जो ड्रिल करने में मदद करती है. उसकी बीक आप देखो बहुत चौकीली है, उससे वो टक 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 करके वुड्स में ड्रिल करती है. देयर दे यूज टू फाइंड दैट इंसेक्ट, और ट्री में उन लोग अपना इंसेक्ट, अपना खाना ढूंढती है. टक 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 करके दे यूज टू मेक अ होल and there they find the insect and their food. A pelican has a pouch under its beak that it uses to scoop fish. ठीक है, अब पेलिकन एक बर्ड है जिसके जो बीक है उसके नीचे देखो आप पाउच है, पाउच जैसा कुछ चीज है जिसमें वो फिश को पकड़ती है एंड देन दे यूज टू ईट, तब वो खाना खाती है. ऋषभ, स्टार्ट रीडिंग.
Yes, ma'am. A kingfisher has a broad, long, and pointed beak that helps it to catch fish from rivers and ponds. An eagle has a strong, sharp, and hooked beak for stealing meat and eating small animals.
Okay, so
Parrot.
Rishabh, Kingfisher has a broad, long, and pointed beak that helps it to catch fish from rivers and pond. ठीक है, उसका जो broad और long और pointed beak होता है जिसकी वजह से वो pond से fish कलेक्ट कर लेती है. एंड ईगल जो होती है उसका स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड शार्प हुक जैसा हुक रहता है ना, उस शेप में उसका बीक होता है फॉर टियरिंग मीट एंड ईटिंग स्मॉल एनिमल्स. ठीक है, मीट को टियर करने के लिए और छोटे छोटे जानवरों को खाने के लिए दैट इज यूज्ड. A parrot has a thin, short and conical beak to crack seeds, nuts and hard food. अब parrot तो it is a pet animal, बहुत सारे घरों में होगा. You have seen उसकी beak कैसी होती है and it eats only seeds, nuts and hard food. जो foods hard होते हैं वो खाती है. A hummingbird has a long, thin beak for sucking nectar from flowers. ठीक है, अब hummingbird का क्या होता है, जो चोंच होता है बहुत लंबा होता है. That is used for sucking the nectar from the flower. Nectar flower से लेने के लिए that is used. A duck has a broad flat beak with holes called shovels to filter food from water. ठीक है, और duck के पास broad flat होल्स जैसा चीज होता है जिसकी वजह से वो वाटर में फूड को ढूंढ के फिल्टर कर पाती है. ओके, now we will study, come to the next page, we will study about claws of the bird. Yes Advika, start reading.
Yes ma'am.
Start reading. Sparsh, Aradhya, Arushi, why you have off your camera? Yes Aradhya, start reading. What is this happening? To whomever I am telling to read, they are just going offline. Claws of the birds. Birds have different types of legs and feet. Okay, दोस्तों birds की बहुत different types of leg और feet होती है ना, legs और feet उनकी different होती है. Birds like goose and ducks have webbed feet that help them to swim. अब webbed feet होती है किसकी, goose और duck की, क्योंकि ये mostly water में रहते हैं तो swim करने के लिए इनको webbed feet चाहिए होती है. Some birds can sleep on the branch of tree at night without falling. कुछ ऐसे बर्ड होते हैं जो नाइट में ट्रीज पे सो सकते हैं बिना गिरे. Birds like crow, sparrow and mina are perching birds. They have claws that help them to hold the branch of tree firmly. ठीक है, अब crow हो गया, ठीक है, sparrow हो गया, mina हो गया, ये सब जो है जो ट्री को बहुत अच्छे से पकड़ लेती हैं and they can sleep at night very firmly there. Parrots and woodpeckers are climbing birds, have claws that help them to climb and cling to the bark of tree. अब parrots और woodpeckers का जो ये रहता है claws रहता है वो help करता है उनको climb करने में bark of tree को. Wading birds like cranes have long legs and toes to walk in shallow water for the search of fish. अब लोग fish को search करती हैं. Eagle, hawks and vultures and owls are preying birds. They have strong and sharp claws to attack and eat small animals. ठीक है, eagles, hawk और vulture जो होते हैं वो सब preying birds हैं. उनके पास strong, sharp claws होते हैं ताकि वो छोटे animals पे attack कर सके. Okay, so this was the chapter about tongue, teeth and the claws and the beak. I hope it is clear to you. Come to the exercise now. Take the correct option. Take out your pencil. We use them to bite food. What will be the answer? Answer will be incisors. First, the answer will be incisors. We use them to bite food and answer will be incisors. Take on
first
yes, first one it will be incisors. B option. B option will be the answer. Carnivores are meat eaters and have sharp canines. D option. Second वाले का होगा D option. Second one, the answer will be D. Parrots have a ऑप्शन फर्स्ट का बी हो जाएगा. पैरट्स हैव hooked beak. Ducks have holes on their beak that are called shovels. B option, shovels. Ducks have holes on their beak that are
मैम थर्ड कौन सा होगा? कौन सा ऑप्शन?
Third one, B option.
मैम फोर्थ वाले का क्या होगा?
Fourth answer will be shovel. Fourth answer will be shovel. Okay, now fill in the blanks. The teeth, cut. First blank होगा cut, tear, cut, tear, and grind the food. And grind food into small pieces. Cut, tear, and grind. Second one, dash and dash are flesh-eating birds. Eagle and hawk are flesh-eating birds. Third one, a woodpecker has a dash-shaped beak that helps it to drill holes in the bark of tree and find insects. It will be chisel. Chisel. Fourth one, a dash has a pouch under its beak. It will be pelican. Pelican. Fourth one will be pelican. Last one, dash has long legs to walk in shallow water. It will be cranes. It will be cranes. After that, come to the next page, page 78. Match the following. Crow will be matched with perch. Crow will be matched with perch. Crane will be matched with wave. Parrot will be matched with climb. Tongue will be matched with speech. Duck will be matched with shovels. And goose will be matched with webbed feet. Match it, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Make these sentences as true or false. You have to write true or false. We have 4 incisors in each jaw. It will be true. Write there true. Second, premolars are square and lumpy. True. Herbivores have sharp incisors to cut grass and plant. True. Fourth one, birds do not have teeth and tongue. False. Fifth one, toucan eats only fruit. True. Write it, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
My work is completed.
Done. Completed, everyone.
Yes, ma'am. My work is
Yes,
also
ma'am.
completed.
Yes, ma'am. My work is complete.
Okay, so take out your EVS copy now and start writing question and answers. Put the date. 22nd September 2021. And put the day Wednesday. Okay, and write answer questions in a sentence. First one, what happens to food inside the mouth? In your mouth, bite, chew, nibble, chop, drink, crush it into tiny pieces so that it can be swallowed after being wetted by saliva. Second one,
হোস্টেলের জায়গা ছেড়ে দিও
what is
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
mute your mic, everyone. The outermost layer of the tooth called the crown. Third one, what helps to taste the flavor of food? Tongue helps to taste the flavor of fourth one. What answer? Birds eat both plant and which bird has a long fin coming.
I have written, ma'am.
Okay, start learning the answers.
What is crown?
I have also written, ma'am.
Okay, start learning the answer. Those who have written, start learning the answers. Okay. And you have to learn chapter 11 and chapter 10. On Monday, I'll take the revision. Chapter 11 और chapter 10 आपको याद करना है. On Monday, I'll take the revision. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, class. Have a wonderful day ahead.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Have a